At CTech, we're on a mission to lead the storage industry through innovative, custom-built solutions that meet every challenge head-on. Our motion latch technology allows you to open any drawer or door with one finger anywhere on the face of the unit. Our journey is marked by a relentless commitment to excellence. Designed for versatility, whether in a commercial setting or at home, we create high-quality, durable products that stand the test of time. Maximize your workspace with our sleek, durable storage solutions. CTech, engineering and innovation.